All right, I'm gonna give this demo using some HTML web pages because the website is still not public yet. And so this is the homepage for Scientize. So again, Scientize is a platform for scientists and scholars in order to find their peer researchers and collaborate with them on research, innovation, and discovery and R&D. So once you sign up, you will be presented by some questions, specifically a questionnaire about your field or discipline, and some discipline and your research interests. The website will use some machine learning in order to match you with peer researchers based on these questions. But then also you will have to build your profile by adding the institutions you are affiliated with and add your biography, add your degrees, research and publications, awards, presentations, and service and leadership, etc. Once you complete your profile and proceed, you will be taken to the main page here, where you would see the discipline on the very top, and subdiscipline and specialty. And this is where you can communicate, connect, and collaborate with researchers in your field or your discipline or specialty that you have already specified. The main thing you can do here is to propose a research project and let your peer researchers collaborate with you. So if you click here, you can specify the topic of your research project, and then also mention some details about the project, the data you are using, or which research proposal or which grant you are applying for, and what type of skills you are looking for in your potential collaborators. Once you publish, the proposal card will look like this. It will start with research proposal, and then your name and your affiliation, or the university or the association you are working for, and then the detailed topic and details about your research proposal. Then your peer researchers would show interest in collaborating with you if they are interested. If they have questions, they can ask it in the comment or the questions section here, and you have the option to see who is interested. So like for here, if you go to your research proposals, you could see who is interested in collaborating with you, and you could invite them for collaboration, or you could send them some details about the project. You could also, if you receive an invitation from another researcher, you could see the invitations here, and you would see who's inviting you and the topic and details about the topic, and you can accept the invitation or decline it. You have some multiple options to do, but you can primarily accept the invitation or start communicating with this researcher. Here you could also see the list of co-authors who co-author with you, so that also other researchers can check this out and see who has collaborated with you and the type of projects that you have been working on together. And also here you could ask a question and you could answer these questions here. This is another area where you could ask and communicate with your peer researchers. And here you could also, if you conducted research already in the past or after you collaborate and conduct the research and publish or earn a grant, you could publish the findings here. So primarily here, again, in collaboration, you could propose a research proposal in public so that any researcher could see that and collaborate with you, but you could also invite some researchers privately. So for example, I would like to collaborate with this professor. If you click on their name, you would be presented to their profile, where you would see their biography, affiliation, education, the type of research they conducted before, and who they conducted research with or collaborated with, awards, etc. And so you could invite them to collaborate like in private. So you could send them an invitation to collaborate privately. Again, this is a place for scientists, scholars, and researchers to find, connect, and collaborate with their peer researchers and collaborate on research, innovation, and discovery, co-publish and apply for grants such as NSF, NIH, and Horizon Europe. And most importantly, also agencies, when they're allowed to sign up, they can also transact with scientists and scholars for consultation, R&D, and other projects. All right, so we look forward to being funded by YC. This is the demo, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.